Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Off camera, I was out here, I took the drivetrain off this stupid mini bike. I don't like how the chain is making all this noise, there's just so much friction. And this thing, I don't know what they were thinking. Cheap. This, it doesn't do anything. So why have it if it doesn't do anything? The only thing I can't put back on the bike is this thing. I can put this on, but for testing purposes, I'm leaving it off. So what I did, I eliminated the jack shaft. I took the chain from the jack shaft. Let me show you what was left here. I took the chain from the jack shaft and I joined it to the main chain that went, well actually, I took the chain from the clutch to the jack shaft and I joined it with the one that goes from the jack shaft to the back wheel. And eliminated all this crap. And it just rolls so much smooth. So let me bring you in and show you what I did. I uploaded a GPS speedometer to my new phone. I'm using an older phone to film you with. I tell you, I don't know if I'm going to have any power out of this thing, but I should definitely have speed. The max speed I've had out of this thing, with a few modifications, is 26 miles an hour. So let's bring you in and show you what I got done. So as you see, direct drive. I've watched this one guy on YouTube. I know about to say he's a bit on the insane part. And he builds mini bikes. He's older than me and I'm 60. At least he looks like he's older than me. But he's crazy. He had one of these going almost 100 miles an hour. So, now I took the clutch apart. There is wear. Will it's enough to hurt anything? I don't know. So listen to the chain. Look at that. I don't have the noise that I had with the other crap that was on here. Now, I know they do this for a reason because they want to slow you down. Okay? So, let me start this thing up. And I want you to watch how fast this thing goes. Okay, question I have for all of you. Now I know I'm going to lose power by losing the jack shaft because that kind of gives you the best of both worlds. What do you think, or how fast do you think I'm going to be able to travel up the street and down the street with this thing? I'm going to take you out there to the road. I want to adjust my back brake just a little bit. Because when I adjust the back wheel, it kind of changed the adjustment. I want to be able to stop this thing if I have to. So hold on. Guys, GPS stopped working after 35, so I was doing at least 40 to 45 mile an hour coming down the hill. Now, problem that I'm having with this, taking the jack shaft off, I lost my low end torque. So the only thing to fix that, other than getting a better clutch, because she's a little hot and the engine's not happy. I need to put a bigger sprocket on the back. But at least got it out, got it running. It's struggling going up the hill. It really is. But to go that fast, actually, it's kind of scary. But anyways, other than the engine makes a terrible vibration. At least it went. It went really fast. Like I say, I don't have any low end torque. I lost that. But that doesn't mean that it can't be achieved. I had a dirt bike a long time ago. Great on the highway. And it was a 650 Enduro that had no balls to climb anything up in the mountains. So I got with someone, I need to re-gear this thing. I changed the front and rear sprocket. I had the best of both worlds. I still got about 45, 46-ish miles to the gallon on the highway. But when I went off-road, I'm slinging the dirt. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time here on Lynn's Homestead. Have a nice day.